So this is a very quick screen recording on how to use Google Meet, which is the old Google Hangouts, which is like Skype, FaceTime, any of those video calling tools. So either you join by joining the link. So for example, if I was running the meeting or I was running my classroom, I'd send this link out to the people in the Kahui Ako or onto my Google Classroom. The beauty of it is you have got that one link, so you don't have to keep on creating new meetings or new classes. You would simply use that same link. Or I'll show you if you were going to set it up yourself or what the meeting looks like. That's a pop-up from someone in the Kahui. You go to those 9 little dots, which you know about. There's another pop-up. And you go straight to Meet. Okay, so click on that. And then you come to this funky looking screen over here. And you go, and again, join or start a meeting. They say give a nickname, but I'm just going to use my name. Continue. And there I am. Okay, so camera starting. If you want the camera off, you go over there. If you want to mute yourself, you go over there. This is the English resource room, by the way. So that's where your tools are. So you go join now. Now, this link over here comes up because I've started it. I've initiated this meeting. So I would copy that and either email that out or put it onto a Google Classroom. But you're not going to get this pop-up if you are simply joining my meeting. Okay, so I think that's simple enough. You don't want to copy all the information, you just want to copy the link. Okay, so that's the first thing. You could, of course, add people over here. So I go and I go Sandy, for example, and Sandy pops up. But we're not going to do it that way. We're going to send the link out. Okay. Now you've got your screen in front of you. If you were calling someone, they would pop up over here and you'd pop into that little space over there. Okay, I'll start at the tools at the bottom. So why you'd mute yourself is people don't always have meeting etiquette, so they'll talk over each other and you don't want that. So sometimes it's better for one person to talk and you mute people and then you unmute them. You don't want to hang up yet. You could switch your camera off because you don't want to be on the screen. That's also fine. I would avoid turning captions on because with different accents it's not always accurate. This present now is pretty good because if you are teaching a class, you could go present now, choose your screen and have your keynote or your slide or whatever you're wanting to present up so you talk to the work. Okay, or these 3 little dots give you a couple more things, and the one really important one is this record meeting, because as we know, some people have said they don't have good coverage, they don't have good Wi-Fi, they want to join later, they don't want to miss out. You simply record the meeting. So you've got a couple of options. If you decide to record the meeting, the recording goes directly to your drive. Okay. One other good thing that I'll show you before I hang up is this one over here, this little icon over here, and that's a little chat box. So say for example you were having a meeting or you were running your class and you had muted everyone and you said if you have got questions please pose them. They could pose their questions over there. Pose questions. And so instead of interrupting you, you could potentially wait until you've got 3 or 4 questions there, and then you could start answering them. So Google Meet's free, good for meetings, good for if you've got a lot of students away, and great because you've got that one link, and once you've got the link and you put it onto Classroom, you can keep on using that same link. Hope this helps. Hope you stay safe. Keep washing your hands. Thank you. Bye.